Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and if not then don't worry, I'm sending you lots of love and light. Guys, today this reading is going to be for Scorpio collective. Please keep in mind that this is a timeless and general reading, so take only what resonates with you. Alright, so let's get started. Let me just shuffle your cards and then cut the deck. Too many cards. Oh, devil. Eight of Swords. Oh, what's going on? The Chariot. Nine of Wands. Page of Cups. Knight of Wands. Seven of Wands. Ace of Swords. Ten of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles. And your overall energy is the Temperance. So guys, the overall energy of this reading is Temperance card. So you're healing, you're balancing your energies within yourself, the masculine aspect of yours and the divine feminine aspect of yourself. Okay, so you're going through a lot of healing, and you also need to be very patient because there is a wish fulfillment for you. Okay, and I think possibly here the wish fulfillment for you is coming out of your own darkness, your shadow self. Okay, because the situation that you are in is the devil, a lot of overthinking, possibly to the level of obsessing, which is something has become like obsession about you, overthinking too much in your mind. Okay, playing the scenarios again and again, and keeping you stuck in that victim mode. So this kind of thing is going on with you, and the challenge is your own limiting beliefs and fears that are keeping you stuck in that situation. you know so you really need to get out of your head. This is self-imposed, guys. Eight of Swords is always a self-imposed energy, so you're doing a lot of you're being very hard on yourself, I feel like that. Okay, so in your focus, the energy is the Chariot. You're thinking about moving on, coming out of that energy. See, it's coming from that darkness, from that dawn energy towards the light, towards that sun that's coming up, that's about to come up. Okay, so yeah, your focus is to come out of this energy. I think you're becoming aware of this situation, that this is what is bothering you. Your own beliefs are keeping you stuck in this kind of situation, never ending loop of, oh, maybe things will never turn out for good for me, or everything just works out uh, like against me. Nothing works out for me, no matter how much hard work I do, I'm still stuck here. Why did something happen? You're playing all these kind of scenarios and torturing yourself. Don't do this, guys. Don't do this. Okay, so in your recent past, your energy is Nine of Wands. You're putting your boundaries. You're being very you're you know you're putting your boundaries. Basically, you're being very in a defensive mode. You really need to bring that walls down. Only then something else can come into your life. Okay, something new. If you're putting so much walls around you, then nobody will be able to come and help you also, right? So let go of this resistance. Really let go of this resistance. In your strength is Page of Cups. You have that in you to start afresh, to start with a childlike innocence again. Whatever happened, it's in the past. this doesn't have to repeat in the future. But if you'll keep that mindset that, oh, it happened in the past, it may happen in the future, then you will create that kind of reality for yourself. Okay, so it's very important that you stay very clear about it. All right, so just be positive, think positively, and take small steps toward your dreams and goals. Okay, be very positive, stay in an optimistic attitude. Look at your circle also, companies also, like other people around you serving you for your highest good, or they're just bringing you down. You really need to give a good attention to that also. Okay, then in your recent future is the Knight of Wands. Yeah, it's the uh, rebirth of that enthusiasm, that passion, that creativity, that liveliness in you, the light in you. Okay, I think you're coming out of this wounded warrior phase into the Knight of Wands phase, and that's a very beautiful energy. Currently you are in this Seven of Wands energy. You're standing your ground, you're holding on to your values and not letting anyone's BS really bother you. And it's a very good energy. You really need to stand strong. You're working on your solar plexus. That's going to come out as the Knight of Wands. The more you work on your inner self, in your own inner strength, in your own inner power, it will start reflecting in your outer. Then it will start showing outwards also. Okay, so you're not letting anyone overpower you. Okay, whether it's thoughts, whether it's others opinions or anything like that, or any kind of situation that's really bringing you down. Okay, so it's a very good energy, I would say. And in your environment, it's like Ace of Swords. So you're gaining that clarity. I think your guides are there, your angels are there to really help you. It's a very good time to also meditate, and and ponder upon what really makes you happy, what brings you that happiness, what are your values, not the ones that are projected on you, or what you have picked up on from your environment. Okay, so don't focus on that, you just focus on yourself. Okay, what really speaks to you from your heart, listen to that. Okay, what's your inner voice is saying. Okay, and then your hopes and fears here, I think this is what you're hoping to build, a long term stability for yourself where there's lot of happiness. Okay, and abundance. So it's a very beautiful card. And then the possible outcome, or the final outcome, if I would say, is the Knight of Pentacles. You're slowly taking action towards building that kind of life for yourself. And this is the card which takes its own time, doesn't rushes. Maybe something happened in your past where you listen to people, you give into their pressure, and you did something and that didn't turn out so well. So right now you're thinking about taking a step back and thinking strategically how to take the right steps towards building your own stability. Okay, that long term stability within yourself and outside yourself also. All right, so let me just pull one oracle card for you, and let me see what the universe has to say in this situation. You're coming out of this heaviness, this darkness. Okay, just don't let your mind get the very best of you. This is a very self-imposed energy, I would say. So whatever scenarios you're playing in your head, just give some attention to that. I think listening to positive affirmations will also work very well. Any kind of motivating videos also will help you. Doing some soothing music meditations will help you. Okay, yeah, be in the nature also, that will also help you. See, there's so much beauty. Every day the sun goes down and then it comes back again, right? So don't just get stuck into your past failures or anything like that. Let whoever speaks, whatever they speak, let them speak. You just declutter your life. It's very important. See, here your energy is completely shifting. Here it was a bit messy. So yeah, you're coming out of that, and I'm so glad that you're doing this. Okay, working on yourself, that's a beautiful thing. Not the right time. Yeah, you're healing, because this is what's going on right now. It's not the right time for you to take any action. Just do your healing. Put your boundaries. Take some more time, contemplate on that, what's really bogging you down. Okay, and then at the bottom, within the next few months. Okay, if you're thinking about taking any action, yes, you can take this action, but within the next few months, not right now. You just need to focus on your healing right now, because temperance is also there. You need to balance your energies within. Okay, the dark aspect and the light aspect. Right now the shadow aspect in yourself is overpowering. Okay, you need to bring that into balance, and it's not the right time to take any action. Just keep on working on yourself, on your inner strength. Okay, and everything will work out beautifully in the right time. All right, so let me pull one more oracle card for you from the Moonology, and let me see what the moon has to say. Oh, you got two cards. A time for healing, and then it's time to take action. See, that's what, it's not the right time. Right now you really need to do that healing. This devil aspect, this shadow aspect, that's really taking a toll on it, on yourself, that you really need to work on that, and then you can take the action within the next few months. Okay, see, this card is here. Okay, that's when you can take the action, but right now you just need to work on yourself. Okay, all right, guys, so this is the message for you. If this reading resonated with you, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care.